Don't use pointers if you don't have to. In the case of this root container, it owns objects 1, 2, and 3. Therefore, they should not be pointers. I'll show you how to initialize this using an initializer function that takes a pointer to one of these members and then just sets the value to 666. Our first case down here, we get a root container on the stack, and we use our initializer function by using the dot operator because this is referencing the member through a non-pointer. We then have to take the address of this submember so that the sub-initializer can work on it. Then we print off the values here. So let's give this a run and show you what the first one looks like. So these are our first values. Works properly. What I expected. Notice the dot operator here because this is a variable on the stack. It's not a pointer, so we use the dot operator. The next example is a more realistic example of how you would use this. So we have our root container, but this time it's a pointer. So I named the variable onHeap. We'll use calloc to zero out the memory. The size of will be the size of the data structure. We'll use the actual variable name for this. We could also use size of root container. We'll call the sub-initializer on each of the members of our onHeap object. Because this is a pointer this time, we use the arrow operator to access each member. Then we need to take the address of it to get it as a pointer, because remember, these members themselves are not pointers. So we have to take the address of it so that it can be passed to the sub-initializer up here, and then we'll just set one of the members to 666. So down here, we print off the results as previous, and those results are down here, same as before. Thank you for your time.